Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get possessed as Mysterious Grimkin in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have a role as the Mysterious Grimkin now for the hide and seek party in Heartopia. And I'm going to show you how to get possessed as the Mysterious Grimkin in this hide and seek party. So guys, there is an achievement. It's the new achievement in Heartopia. And if you want to obtain the achievement, you need to be possessed as Mysterious Grimkin for 4 minutes without getting captured by the investigator, by the investigative journalist. So I'm going to show you how you can get possessed as Mysterious Grimkin. But sorry guys, I do not remember the name of the achievement. But yeah, you need to be possessed by Grimkin if you want to get the achievement. Okay, so here is the tutorial. So you need to click on this icon and then click on this Mysterious Grimkin and you will be possessed like this. And you need to be possessed for at least 4 minutes to achieve the badge. Okay guys, and that's how to be possessed as Mysterious Grimkin in Heartopia hide and seek party. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.